Stop the presses! Well, it might be a little too late for that. Turns out the coveted invites to the wedding of the year between Meghan Markle and Prince Harry were issued with a so-called slight mistake. Kensington Palace released pictures of the elegant invites for the event that will take place May 19th. And there is something funny missing from them, and that is Miss Markle's complete name. The former Suits actress was actually born Rachel Meghan Markle, but has gone by her middle name almost her entire life. But the decision for her name to appear on the wedding invitations as Meghan is completely up to the bride and groom. According to Grant Harold, a British etiquette expert who spoke with GoodHousekeeping.com. Who definitely sticks to tradition? Harry's grandma, Queen Elizabeth, who used Meghan's full name in her formal written consent to the marriage to her Privy Council. Wonder if the Queen calls her Meg or Rach?